Hi folks, it's Tony of TravelScoot again. I'm going to show you how to install the suspension seat post in the TravelScoot seat. Should you choose to purchase this, it will always come separate. We cannot install it and ship it with the scooter. As you can tell, it's kind of outsized long and won't fit in the box comfortably. It's a $45 accessory, hardly adds any weight, maybe a little under a pound. Anyway, to install it, you'll need to do the following. You'll take your 5mm Allen wrench that came with your tool set. You will loosen the seat post clamp on the bottom of the seat. And for those folks who have a newer TravelScoot, you'll have the black cast seat plate that also has a set screw in the front. You'll need to loosen that a few turns. Remove the old seat post. Set it aside. You may want to use that. Don't lose it. Then you take this reducer bushing and install it in the bottom of the seat plate. It's a snug fit, so you're going to want to make sure that you line it up properly when you install it. You may have to tap it using a mallet. What's really important is that you install it with the slot facing you and lined up with the slot in the bottom of the seat plate. Next, you simply take the suspension seat post, insert it fully, and then retighten your rigid seat clamp. You can also snug the set screw in the front. There is no hole in it to retain it, so don't over tighten it. That won't be necessary. And then you're ready to install it in your yoke. Please insert it fully. Do not install any of your seat spacers. This already is the highest setting you want to have your seat at. It corresponds to about 21.5 to 22 inches above the floor. Just as an FYI, the fit of the suspension seat post to the yoke is a little tighter than with the regular chrome-plated steel seat post, and it's also not quite as smooth. It's aluminum on aluminum. So ideally, do not remove and install the seat in and out of the yoke as frequently as you would this. You might find some galling and some other, I'll say, raised metal obstruction if you do it repeatedly. Thanks for watching and happy scooting.